Hi everybody, welcome back to another Message Center update with me, Mark Stokes. This is going to be a bit of a loaded message. It's one I'll kind of cover over what Microsoft talks about in the Message Center, but I do want to do a larger video on this topic at some point in the future. So what we're going to be talking about today is about Microsoft Viva, Microsoft Viva topics. There's been quite a lot of talk on this on the internet lately. Microsoft announced it. A lot of people are slightly confused as to what it actually is and what it isn't, but I think we'll start to see more clarity going forward. This update specifically is Message Center 239266, and this is going to be this is all about introducing Microsoft Viva topics. So what Viva is, Viva is a collection of services, some new services, some rebranded services, and these are add-on services as well. So you do have to pay extra per month for it, and it's available to users in Business Basic, Business Standard, Business Premium, your F licenses, E licenses, and your kiosk licenses as an add-on premium. So what Viva Topics is all about, this basically uses an artificial intelligence engine to empower people with knowledge and expertise in Microsoft Teams, and we've got a whole lot of marketing blurb around it. So what is it really? If you come down to this bit, this is a bit more interesting. So basically this is going to use AI to go through and organize content automatically across the systems and teams. And it's going to bring it together into topics like projects, products, processes, and customers. Now, the interesting thing is that this is going to be happen automatically. This will also generate topic pages, topic portals, things like that, where it brings all that content together as it identifies it. I've still yet to see how it's going to work in practice. I need to have a little play with it and see what's going on. But it'd be interesting to see how well it works. If people are kind of looking at experimenting with Viva, please do let me know. I'd love your feedback on how you're getting on with it. But this is basically just saying that you're going to start to see these pages start to appear. And that's it, basically. So there is more information. If you do kind of link, I'll put a link down below where you go find out more about Viva. I think people are still figuring out what it is, whether it's worth the money. So I think time will tell how we get on with this one. But this is a quick one just to introduce that topics are coming. It will automatically use AI to categorize your content. And then let's see how well that works out. Hopefully it'll be good. I'm quite keen to have a play with it and see where it's going. Okay, quick update. Thank you very much, and I shall see you next time.